All right, parts of Colorado now dealing with severe weather and tornadoes. This was actually taken by Fox 4 storm chaser Kevin Saunders near Simla, Colorado.
Yeah, Kevin chases all around North Texas. Yeah. He's all the way in Colorado. Simla is about an hour northeast of Colorado Springs. All right. Ali Tiriano's been watching this and our weather too. She's live right now.
Yeah. Ridge of high pressure means we don't get stuff like this, folks. And if you head to our Fox 4 weather page on Twitter or Facebook, you can actually see more pictures from Kevin. He actually just recently took a picture of not one but two tornadoes at the same time. So interesting to see from far away. We like that. But the storms that are creating these storms, creating these tornadoes rather, still moving through parts of Colorado. Watch boxes remain in several different locations. But for us here, we have a ridge of high pressure. This has been the guy that's hung around all week, that's kept the sunshine around, no rain in the forecast, and this is not going anywhere. He loves North Texas so much, it's going to stick around for the rest of the week, the weekend, and even early next week. So when you have a ridge of high pressure in place, all the storms go around it. It just blocks everything. So that's why skies are looking so good tonight. That's also why it's been so warm lately. We should have highs in the upper 80s, most of us in the low 90s today. Some of our weather trackers in Coppell, 92, as well as in the Colony, 92 for Waxahachie, 90 from Jack Thomason and Lillian, as well as Jerry Madonna in Weatherford. So these numbers now slightly above normal for this time of year, and I think that's a trend you're going to see over the next couple of days. Right now, hanging in the low to mid 80s across the Metroplex. Some of us a little bit cooler. One of the cooler locations, 74 in Bowie. Bridgeport, you're at 78 currently, and for our folks east of the Metroplex, 82 in Terrell, 77 in Athens, and a cooler 76 in Palestine. Now, we all still have a southeast wind, but it should let up as the night goes on. And with clear skies and light winds, I think temperatures will drop nicely, but still kind of warm, waking up to 70 degrees, not so great. So this ridge is not going anywhere. Storms will continue to lift to the north and impact areas well north of Texas. Bottom line, it's just going to be hot. We're not talking triple digits, but low to mid 90s with some humidity doesn't feel so great, especially if you're outside for several hours. So through the overnight, temperatures will drop for us. We start out mostly clear in the morning, waking up to upper 60s, low 70s, and as the day goes on, pretty decent. The only issue I really see tomorrow, yes, it's warm, it's humid, but we're going to have some air quality concerns. Today, air quality was moderate. I think it'll be a little bit worse, unhealthy for sensitive groups. So what does that mean? If you have asthma, if you have trouble breathing, we don't want you outside for an extended period of time. Saturday looks pretty similar. I think temperatures in the afternoon will be even warmer. So again, I mentioned unhealthy for sensitive groups. Just be aware of that through the afternoon tomorrow. And this time of year, we hear that a lot. When you have light winds, you're in the Metroplex, there's a little more pollution than we'd like to see, and that's when we have those air quality concerns. So just be aware of it and notice we're not going to see much of a change over the next 5 or 6 days, partly to mostly sunny skies. We start in the 70s for the morning hours, warming into the low and mid 90s. We're going 93 Saturday, 94 on Sunday. This ridge of high pressure finally breaks down by the middle of next week. So at this point, the only real rain chance we have in the forecast is next Wednesday.